and my dear children, we explained the rules of all the present tenses, all the past tense, and all the future tenses also, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
We have
Yes,
successfully
ma'am.
completed the rule of the 12 tense forms. Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and you are thorough with the tense forms, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I have brought n number of exercises for you, and we are going to drill with the exercises today. And let me know how much you are thorough with the tense rules. Okay, only one condition: I'll be giving you a few sentences. First step: underline the verb in those sentences. Okay. Second step: mention the tense form. Okay, whether the sentence is in simple present tense, sentences in past continuous tense, present perfect tense. Are you ready to do that?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you thorough with the tense rules?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes.
So your sentence. Here comes your sentence number 1. All of you please write sentence number 1.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Question.
Ma'am.
I'm going to give you 12 sentences. Okay? Yes, somebody
Excuse
is calling
me,
me.
ma'am.
Rena. Rena Fatima.
Yes. Ma'am, we should write this in class notes.
Yes,
Good
of
afternoon,
course.
ma'am.
Include whatever I am giving you in the class, that should be written in the class notes. Okay? You should not avoid
Okay,
anything
ma'am.
anywhere. Okay? Because
Ma'am.
these are
Okay,
the
ma'am.
pattern of question you can expect for your examination point of view. Okay?
Excuse
Aditi
me,
Ishwar
ma'am.
is
Okay,
very
ma'am.
happy, and I can see a happy blowing something on her head. What is it? Is it your birthday today? No. Only because of I'm happy, that is why I put an icon like that. Okay, fine. Leave it.
Excuse me,
So
ma'am.
question number 1 for you. You are, all of you, right? You are watching. You are
Good afternoon,
watching
ma'am.
TV. You are watching TV.
What is the page number?
Everyone, please do underline the verb in the sentence, and also in the right side of that particular sentence you mention the tense form, in which tense form it is given in. Once you underline the verb, you will be able to identify the tense form. Okay,
Ma'am.
mention, clearly identify the tense form. Yes, Angelina Rose.
Ma'am, can you repeat the word line?
What is the heading?
Okay, heading: identify tense form. Identify tense form. Okay,
Ma'am,
these are
what
the
is the
pattern of
page?
question that you can expect for your examination point of view. So my dear children, please be very conscious. Okay, the sentences: you are watching TV.
Excuse me, ma'am. What is the page number?
Question number 2. Aromal, something you're saying, it's not clear for me.
What is the page number?
Why are you asking the page number, Aromal? There is no page number today. Okay, you just write.
And can you
Please
repeat
don't
the
look at the
first
workbook
question?
now. You please keep your workbook away from your place. Take a paper and get ready to write. Okay, question
Ma'am,
is
can you
identify
repeat the
the
first
verb
sentence?
and its tense form. Identify the verb and its tense form. Question number 1. You are watching TV. Okay, so you please underline the verb and mention the tense form in the side. Okay, to the right hand
Excuse me,
side.
ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
We want to mention the verb also.
Verb form can be underlined. Verb can be underlined and mention the tense form. In which tense form it is in. Okay.
Identify the tense
Next
form.
question. She goes to work by car. She
What is the
goes to work. I
What
request
is the
everybody
second
to
question?
mute.
Pardon?
Ma'am, what is the second question?
She goes to work by car. I
Ma'am,
have
can
only
you
one
say the
request. You
second
please
question?
listen to the class.
Ma'am, what is the
Everyone,
second
please listen
question?
to the Aromal was not at all attentive. What is your problem, Aromal? Why are you asking about the page numbers now?
No, not the page number. What is
Aromal,
the,
it is not clear. Can you please adjust your mic and speak?
ma'am, what is the page? Second.
Second sentence. You want the second sentence, Aromal?
Yes, ma'am.
She goes to work by car. She goes to work by car. Underline the verb, mention the tense form. Okay. Question
Can you
number
tell the
3.
first one?
Question number 3. Question number 3. She was singing a song. She was singing a song. She was singing a song. Next question. I went to the beach. I went to the beach.
Ma'am, can you tell the third one?
Later, now you write this question. I went to, you leave space, okay, Ahil? I'll give you later. I went to the beach. Okay, next question. She had cooked some food. She had cooked some food.
What is the third one? Fourth one.
This question is question number
5.
5. Question number,
Four.
please write down
Fourth
question
one,
number
ma'am.
5. If you don't know question number 3 and 4, you please leave it. I'll give you later. Question number 5. She had cooked some food. Next question. It snows a lot. It snows. S-N-O-W-S. It snows a lot in winter. It snows a lot in winter in Russia. It snows a lot.
spelling of snows?
S-N-O-W, snow, S, snows. S-N-O-W-S, snows a lot in winter in Russia.
Fifth question, ma'am.
It snows a lot in winter in Russia. Next question. She has lived.
Ma'am, what is the sixth question?
She has lived
Ma'am, what is the sixth
here
question?
all her life. She has lived here all her life.
Ma'am, will you tell one more?
Definitely. She has lived here all her life. Next question. The baby is sleeping. The baby is sleeping in his crib. The baby is sleeping in his crib. C-R-I-B.
Ma'am, will you tell spelling one more?
The baby is sleeping in his crib. How many questions now?
Ma'am, 8.
Eight.
Okay, 9th question.
8.
Excuse me, ma'am.
It mixes the sand and water. I request everybody to write the 9th question. It mixes. I'll write all these questions on the board also. So if you have missed any questions, there is a chance for getting it. Okay, don't worry. So 9th question you write now. It mixes the sand and water. It mixes the sand and water.
Can you again repeat?
Okay, and the last question. The poet will be writing. The poet will be writing a poem. The poet will be writing a poem. Finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so
Excuse
I'm
me,
going to
ma'am.
write all these questions on the board. Right from 1st to 10. Please underline the verb and identify the tense form. This is your task. Do it.
Excuse me, ma'am.
I request Shreya to read all the questions for me. Shreya, question number 1.
First question. You are watching TV.
You are
Watching TV.
watching TV. This word has some problem. It misses somewhere. W-A-T-C-H-I-N-G. Okay. Question number 2.
She goes to work by car.
He or she?
She.
He?
Ma'am, not she. She.
She. Okay. She goes
To work by car.
to work by car. Okay. To work by car. Okay. Fine. Thank you. Next question.
She was singing a song.
She was singing a song.
A
Okay.
song.
ing. Singing a song. Third question.
Song.
Fourth question.
I went to the beach.
I went to the beach.
Beach.
Okay.
Fifth
Fifth
one.
question.
She had cooked some food.
He?
She.
She has. Okay. She has.
She had, ma'am. She had
Okay. Had. She had cooked
cooked some food.
some food. Okay. Cooked some food. Okay. Fine. Next question. 6.
It snows a lot in winter in Russia.
It snows
A lot in
a
winter
lot in winter
in Russia.
in Russia. Okay.
Seventh
Okay.
one.
Seventh question.
She has lived here all her life.
What is it?
She has lived here all her
She
life.
has
She has lived lived lived
Ma'am,
here
can you,
all
that
her
question was not clear for me.
ma'am, can you write fourth, sixth?
She has lived here, right? Lived. Okay, she has lived
Yes,
here.
ma'am. Here or there.
Here. She has lived here all
in
her
all her life.
Okay, fine. Very
Ma'am,
good.
can you write fourth?
Okay, now put a full stop at the end of all sentences. Eighth question.
Ma'am,
The
can you
baby is sleeping in his crib.
The baby is sleeping.
In his crib.
Is sleeping in his crib. Okay. Okay, next question, ninth question.
Ma'am, I have one doubt. I didn't write that.
Okay,
It
who can
Can
give
I
me
tell
ninth
answer?
question?
It mixes
The sand.
It mixes the sand and water.
It mixes the sand
And
and
water.
Okay, sand and water. Okay,
Water.
fine. 10th question.
the poet will be writing a poem.
The poet will be,
Writing a poem.
okay, will be writing a poem. Fine, will be writing a poem. These are the 10 sentences. Okay, I have a request to you all to underline the finite verb, to underline the verb and to identify the tense form. Okay, are you
Okay,
ready,
ma'am.
children?
Ma'am,
Yes,
can you
ma'am.
tell 10th answer? Let's go question.
Question. The poet will be writing a poem. Ready? Let us begin.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I am just starting with the first question. Okay, all of you please look it here. I am going to call Sri Shankar MS. Sri Shankar, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sri Shankar, look at the sentence, the first one. Okay.
You are watching TV.
Okay. Tell me the verb.
Ma'am, watching.
No. You are wrong.
Watching.
Is
Are
watching
watching.
only one verb used here? There is no auxiliary
Ma'am,
verb present in the
Are
sentence.
watching.
Are
Ah,
watching.
only Sri
Are
Shankar. Only Sri Shankar. Sri Shankar, tell me the verb used in the sentence.
Ma'am, are watching.
Fine. Are watching. Fine. So tell me the tense form.
Ma'am, present
Hmm.
continuous.
Very good.
Tense.
Present. All of you please not. The sentence is in present continuous. CONTINUOUS. Present continuous. Okay. Okay, now I am moving to the next person, Rena Fatima. Rena, look at the second
Yes,
question
ma'am.
and tell me the verb of the sentence.
She goes to work by car.
Okay. Verb,
Ma'am goes to.
there is no to is needed. We can
Goes.
use only goes. Okay, goes is the verb here. Okay, now you tell me the tense of the sentence.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes, I'm
Present.
waiting for you.
present.
What present? Present has 4 forms.
Ma'am, simple present.
Very good. The sentence is in simple present. Goes is the simple present form, means present form of the verb. Okay, so the sentence is in simple present tense. Okay, so next question, Shreya Suraj. Shreya, you please read the third question and tell me the answer.
Third one, she was singing a song.
Okay, verb.
Was singing.
Excellent. Tell me the tense form.
Past continuous.
Wonderful. Okay, past continuous. Again, I'm mentioning the spelling. C-O-N-T-I. I'm using my finger for writing. C-O-N-T-I-N-U-O-U-S. Fine. Very good. Now, let me ask another question. The fourth question to Abhishek. Abhishek, please
Yes,
read the
ma'am.
fourth question and tell me the tense.
I went to beach.
Verb.
Ma'am, I didn't get that.
It is so easy.
I have a
Son, it's
confusion.
so
Ma'am, can I
easy to
tell?
find the verb from the sentence. Tell me one action word used here.
Went.
Louder.
Went.
Went. So this is the verb used here. You know this went is the past form of the verb go. Okay? Go,
Okay, ma'am.
went, gone. Are you clear? The verb,
Yes, ma'am.
the present form of the verb went is go. Okay? Go for plural and goes for singular. Okay?
Thank
And the
you.
past form of the verb go is went. Past participle form for the go is gone. Okay?
Gone.
So that is the action word used here. So which
In the
form it is
past.
in now? The verb
In-
went is in which form? Which tense form?
Past
Past.
It is in the
Past
past tense
tense.
form. Okay.
Past
Now
tense.
you know this sentence or this word is in the past tense. Okay, tell me. A past tense has 4 forms. It has a simple past form, or you can use the past continuous form of a verb, past perfect form of a verb, past perfect continuous form of a verb. So which one?
In the
Gus?
Simple past.
Excellent. So you said the answer, my son. So this sentence is an example because went is the past form of a verb. Okay. So this sentence is an example for simple past.
Past.
See, subject plus past form of the verb is used. So the sentence is in past tense, simple past tense. Clear? I am moving
Yes,
to
ma'am.
Ahil. Ahil Samir. Ahil, she had cooked some food. Look at the verb.
Yes. Ma'am, can I tell?
Ahil, it's your turn now. Ahil, tell me the verb used here.
Cooked.
Only cooked. There is no other auxiliary verb used.
Had cooked.
Had cooked is the verb. Okay, now just look at the sentence. We have a subject. We need to use had and past participle form. So had cooked is the verb. So the sentence is in which tense form?
Past perfect continuous.
Very good. Past perfect. Fine. Past perfect tense. Okay. Past perfect tense. I hope it's clear. Okay. If you are thorough with the
Yes.
tense form, you will be able to understand what I'm saying here. Okay. Now, Krishna. Krishna? Krishna, can you hear me, Krishna?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Krishna, look at the 6th question. Tell me the verb and tell me the tense form.
It snows at a lot in a winter in Russia.
Okay.
It snows.
It is the subject here.
Yes, ma'am.
I want only the verb.
Angelina Rose.
Krishna, identify the verb used here. the action word.
Nose.
Winter.
Louder.
In winter.
In winter is not at all an action. See, in winter,
Nose.
can you see any action in winter? In winter,
No, ma'am.
can you see any action? See,
No,
drinking
ma'am.
is an action word. Agree, because you can see the action that I am doing in
Ma'am,
front of you.
nose.
I am drinking water. Okay, I am eating my food. It is an action word. I am running very fast. It is an action word, right? I am dancing in front of you. You can see the action, right? So, the same, which action word is used in
Ma'am,
the
nose.
sentence? Krishna?
Nose, ma'am.
Yeah, absolutely, you are right. So the verb is nose. Okay, so tell me now the tense form.
Simple present.
Simple present.
Wonderful.
Simple
Sentence is
present.
simple present tense. Okay,
Simple
the sentence is in simple present tense, because in the sentence you can see subject plus present form of the verb is used. As the subject is singular it, we have used the singular form of the verb nose. So the sentence is in simple present tense. Everyone must practice this. These are the questions or you can see, or it is going to be asked in the exams. So simple present tense. So study well.
I have
Okay.
a doubt in
Next
seventh
question,
question.
Angelina Martin. Next question.
Has
Yes,
lived.
ma'am. She has lived here all her life.
Okay, I want the verb.
Has lived.
Excellent. Okay, tell me the tense form.
Present perfect.
Excellent, because has shows that the sentence is in present form, and has lived shows that the sentence is in present perfect tense. Okay, fine, very good. Now, Vaiga Sharon. Vaiga,
Yes,
can
ma'am.
you hear me, Vaiga?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you tell me. Look at the sentence. You read the sentence and you tell me the verb.
The baby is sleeping in his crib.
Crib, crib.
Crib.
Is
Is sleeping is the verb.
Very good. Is sleeping is the verb. Excellent. Okay.
Present continuous.
Wonderful. Very good. Very good. So this is called the sentences in is continuous shows that, or is plus sleeping shows that the sentence is in present continuous tense. Wonderful. Wonderful. Very good. Okay, fine. And you look at the 9th question, my child Vishnu. Vishnu,
Yes,
my
ma'am.
son, you tell me, you read the sentence and you tell me the verb of the sentence.
It mixes the sand and water.
Fine. Okay, tell me the verb used here.
Mixes.
Wonderful. And tell me the tense form.
Simple perfect.
Simple.
Present tense.
Very good. Simple present tense. Very good. Very good. So we have got simple present tense here. Okay. Now I'm going to Ronita. Ronita, please look at the last question. The poet will be writing a poem. Tell me the verb. Tell me the tense form.
Writing.
Only writing. No other auxiliary
Will be
verb is used
writing.
in this.
Writing.
What is it?
Be writing.
Be writing.
will be right.
Be writing. So by looking at be writing, are you able to identify the tense form?
Will be
Will
Angelina Rose. Angelina Rose.
Ma'am, can I
will
remind?
be right.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Angelina Rose, you tell me the tense form.
Writing the.
Only writing.
Be
No other
writing the.
Writing.
Huh?
Be writing.
Be writing the.
See, how can you say
Will
that?
be right.
Ma'am, can I say?
Royce and Francis. Royce
Ma'am, can I tell?
Royce and Francis. This question is to Royce and Francis. Royce?
Yes,
Will
ma'am.
be right.
Royce, you tell me the verb used here. It is very easy.
Writing a poem.
No, a poem is the object here. It is not.
Ma'am,
Will be writing.
Will be writing. Will or
Future
shall plus
continuous.
be plus writing. Tell me the tense form.
Future continuous.
Someone said.
Future continuous.
Future continuous.
Very good. The sentence is in future
Excuse
continuous.
me, ma'am. You
Okay.
didn't
So
teach
one
us
more
the
thing, I have a
future.
request to you all. See, I can come here and I can teach you all the 12 tenses. Okay, I can teach you the rules of all the 12 tense forms. But there is a problem. If you're not by hearting it, you won't be able to identify the verbs. First of all, you should be very thorough with your tense forms. Okay, so study by heart 100 times.
you did
and
not
make sure
explain
that you
the
are thorough with the
future
tense
tense.
rules.
Okay,
and
ma'am.
remember, if there is an auxiliary verb is used in a sentence, along with the auxiliary verb, you must tell the verb. Okay, so if there is an auxiliary verb called be forms, I have told you the be forms in English grammar are am, is, are, was, were. Okay,
Yes,
and
yes.
been and being are the be forms used in English grammar. At the same
And V
time,
for
you
V3.
are thorough with the do forms. Do,
And can
does,
you-
did. These are
and
the
can you
auxiliary
say
verbs, and
proud?
you can see that has, have, had are the auxiliary verbs. Okay,
Ma'am,
helping
ma'am,
verbs.
what is the
Yes.
tense? Ma'am, what is the
Excuse-
tense? Tense.
Yes, some Aromal is asking something.
Ma'am,
Aromal,
what is the tense? Tense.
Aromal,
What is the
what do you
Can
want to
say
say?
Can you say the word?
Okay, of course. Okay, children. So these are the sentences that you should by heart.
You did not
I would
explain
like
the
to
Excuse me,
teach
future
you
ma'am.
some more
tense.
sentences. And
Yes,
using
ma'am.
these sentences, you please practice. And we'll be discussing all the answers in the
Excuse me,
next
ma'am.
class. So ready
Ma'am.
to write?
Ma'am, can you once more? Can you once
Ma'am,
more?
you did not explain the
Ma'am.
future tense.
Sure. Who wants to know
Ma'am,
about
future tense it is
Ma'am,
going
you
to
didn't
happen.
explain.
Yes,
going
future
to
tense
happen.
is an action which is going to happen.
Will
It is
come,
not
will
happened.
come.
It is not
Will
happening.
come.
but
Going
it
to
may
happen.
come.
Then we will
are
shall or
waiting
will,
something to
ma'am. We will
happen.
use
So
shall or
remember,
will.
very good. Remember, if there is a use of will or shall in a sentence, it is definitely an example for a future tense. Okay?
Ma'am,
All the future. If it is
Excuse me,
simple
ma'am.
future, you can see the presence of will or shall in it. If it is future continuous also, you can see the presence of will or shall in it. And future perfect also, you can see will or shall in it. And future perfect continuous also, you can see will or shall in it. So will or shall are called the modal auxiliaries, and this modal auxiliaries should be or will be used in a future tense. Okay, so this
Ma'am,
is a
future
key word
continuous
for
means
you to identify a future tense sentence. Okay, and one more thing, you should be thorough with all the tense forms. Okay, for practicing, I'm going to give you a few more sentences. Underline
ma'am.
the verb, identify the tense
Excuse
form.
me, ma'am.
Don't ask anyone. Okay, you don't ask anyone. You please do it, and we'll be discussing all the all the sentences in the next class. Okay,
Excuse me,
question
ma'am.
number 1. Only
ma'am,
4
ma'am.
minutes for us.
Ma'am,
So
ma'am,
I
ma'am, in
request,
the ma'am in the class notes. Class
oh
notes.
yes, homework. These are the homework. Okay, all of you
Excuse
please
me,
note down.
ma'am.
I'll write on the board. I'll write on the board.
Ma'am, we will
My
do
dear little one,
ourselves. We should do ourselves.
you have to, and we'll be discussing this in the next class. Okay,
Ma'am, can you again say the heading?
Ma'am, if we
identify, underline
Ma'am.
the verb and identify the tense form. Underline the verb and
Okay, ma'am.
identify the tense form. Okay,
Ma'am, and
fine.
also you didn't explain future tense for us.
Yes,
We
ma'am.
haven't taken
Ma'am,
future
ma'am,
tense at
tell.
school.
Ma'am, tell, ma'am. You have told future tense
I
now
have
itself.
told. I
Yeah,
have
now
told.
it's-
Told is a word in English.
No,
Can we
ma'am.
use
What
it
is
in
going
English?
on?
So what is the past participle form of the verb tell?
Told.
Told. I have told in the class, it seems, right? I'm sure that I had
Yes.
discussed this with you guys, right?
No, ma'am.
Yes.
Future
The
tense.
future
Yes, ma'am.
tense means
Now
what
we
is going to
discuss.
happen.
Continuous, future perfect and future
Going
perfect
to happen.
continuous.
Shall and
No, ma'am. You
We
didn't
haven't
No,
shall.
ma'am.
Pooja,
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Pooja,
ma'am.
Pooja, is it over? Stuck. So I am going to another person. Vishnu, Vishnu.
yes,
Future tense, simple future, future continuous, future perfect and future perfect continuous rules. Over or not?
Ma'am, over.
Over.
Ma'am, over. You send the notes.
ma'am,
You send
you
the
did not
notes.
Okay. No,
Ma'am,
sending the
note,
note
notes,
doesn't
ma'am.
mean that I have completed in the class. Okay. My question whether I discuss this simple future, future continuous, future perfect and future perfect
No, ma'am.
in the class.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. A few are saying yes, a few are saying no. So Ahil Shamir, you tell me whether I should take it again.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, yes.
No, I have said yes. Okay. If you want, I will be doing it again in my next class. Or you want it now? I have 2 minutes.
Ma'am,
I can
now.
do a quick. Okay.
Now.
Okay. So I'll send the questions in the WhatsApp. Okay.
Okay,
If you
ma'am, now.
for practicing, the questions will be sent to you in the WhatsApp. Okay. So let me discuss now the future tense. Okay. As you want future tense
Sure.
again, definitely I am here to explain it for you. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So let us begin with simple future tense. I hope I have given this.
Yes.
We discussed. Yes. Yes.
Yes,
Simple
ma'am.
future tense. Look at here, children. As I have told you, we can use will or shall as only within a future tense. Okay. If it is used in a future tense, that is definitely, that sentence is definitely in future tense. But only one problem, we should learn the 4 forms of the future tense. Our future tense has
Ma'am,
4
simple
forms.
future.
Yes, we have simple future, future continuous,
Yes,
future
future
perfect,
perfect,
and
future perfect continuous tense.
And this one is an example for simple future sentence. My dear children, look at the board. We should begin with the subject here. And look at the first sentence. Luke will read various kinds
Ma'am,
of
will
books.
read. Will
Okay,
read. Will
so
be
Luke is the subject, isn't it? And I have used will.
Will read will be verb.
This will and shall are called the auxiliary verbs. Okay, this is also
Modal
called auxiliary verbs.
Modal
Especially,
auxiliaries.
a special name for this is actually modal auxiliaries. MODAL. Okay, these are known as modals
Okay,
in English
ma'am.
grammar. Okay, modal auxiliary verbs.
Auxiliaries.
There is a problem, children. There is one major important thing that you should remember. These are called the modal auxiliaries. By rule, according to the grammarians, soon after a modal auxiliary verb, we can use only the base form of the verb. Remember, we can use only the base form of the verb. We cannot use S or ES form. We cannot use ES or ED forms or IED forms or IES forms after that. And also after that, will or shall, we cannot use the past participle form. So if there is a modal auxiliary used, especially will or shall is used in future tense, soon after will or shall, we must use only the base form of the verb. Base forms are simple forms. Only the major forms, base forms, jump, kick, play, laugh. Okay.
Ride.
Yeah, slide, move,
Ride.
play, fight.
Excuse-
Okay, these are the base forms, right? I cannot use any other forms after a modal auxiliary. That is the rule. Nobody can question us. Okay, that we cannot change it. That is by rule. Great grammarians, traditional grammarians and modern grammarians, 100% they are agreeing to use only the base form after a modal auxiliary. Agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am,
let's begin again. Look at the board. Now, see after this, that is why I have written in our simple future tense, after will or shall, use the base form of the verb. We can use only the base form of the verb after will or shall, because these are the modal auxiliaries used in English grammar. Am I clear? That is
Yes,
why
ma'am.
will read. So will read is the
Ma'am.
verb here. Will play is the verb here. Will go. I
Go.
cannot use goes here. I cannot use went here. I cannot use played here, because will or shall are called the modal auxiliaries. After a modal auxiliaries, we can use only the base forms of the verb. See?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay. It is
Will or shall.
427. Okay, it is 427. So I'll be explaining future continuous and future perfect continuous in the next class. Anyway,
Okay,
we
ma'am.
we are
Ma'am.
blessed with
Ma'am,
an
future
additional period
perfect
today
and
onwards.
future.
Okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
Happy
Thank you.
enjoy
Okay,
your
ma'am.
Perfect
days.
continuous.
Ma'am, I'm
Okay,
done.
ma'am. Thank you.
Are you happy now?
I'm happy. I'm glad because
Ma'am,
you
are you
responding.
happy?
But
Thank you.
if you want to make me happy, I want to see your scores. Okay, MCQ 3 is very near. If you're not getting marks, I am very sad, or I'll be very sad. Okay. So if you score good marks, if you attempt well, if you study well, I'm the one who is glad more than anyone
Ma'am,
else in this world.
in December MCQ.
Ma'am, in
Yes,
the last
definitely.
Okay.
So see you in the next class.
Ma'am, in the
Bye-bye.
last
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Bye,
you.
ma'am.
Thank you so much.